I'm going to invite Alok, who's going to talk about life on campus. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Rajgopal. Hi, I'm Alok. I teach music. I live on campus. I think that's the main part of what I do, and that takes most of my day and most of my energy as well. So apart from all the stuff that has been spoken about so far, which is what Nirja was talking about, the courses, the 4 years, and the CRX, which is a part of the curriculum, there is a lot more that happens on campus, right? And you'll notice I don't have a presentation of the campus life or the residences, because I know there's a campus tour, and the residences, well, you can see it, right? It's visible from miles around, so there's no presentation, there's no pictures of that, you can just walk out and see it. But yes, I think one of the things that the university really emphasizes is a complete kind of education, a complete kind of experience, and what the campus offers outside of the classroom, outside of the academic space, really looks at that. We do emphasize inclusion, so everybody gets a chance to participate in that. Everybody gets a chance to sort of learn from each other and to learn a whole host of things. So we have several clubs. We have a student affairs body that sort of coordinates with the clubs and with all the students on campus. I mean, there's no real better advertisement than to just walk around and see what's happening. Today's a Saturday, you may not see too many things going on, but usually it's very vibrant. There's always some celebration, there's always some event that's happening, there's always a club activity, a talk. We have a gender discussion forum. We have so many things that will appeal to everybody's sensibilities at the end of the day. And we encourage everyone to be a part of that. So while you're here, your mentors, Nija talked about the mentoring system, your mentors will probably force you to go and take part in some clubs, take part in some physical activity. You'll notice we have a sports field. Arvind will talk about the sports facilities on campus, right? So yeah, there's plenty to do on campus, and one part of your campus life is your stay at the residences. And because the undergrad program is fully residential, you're here for your whole 4 years, you're on campus, there is plenty to learn from each other. And that's what the residences really affords us, right? It gives us space and time to really explore that idea of interacting with people who are different from us, right? You will of course find friends who are from your same school or same area, speak the same language, all of that, but what we would really like is that you spend your 4 years at the residences interacting with people who are completely different from you, people that you don't normally have the opportunity to talk to, right? And the residences in some sense gives you the time and the space to do that. The other thing is the residences, again, the way the university functions, it's not a provision of luxury, right? And I think that's something that we should say right at the beginning. It's a comfortable space. You have everything that you need. It is, I mean, a lot of parents here, I'm sure, would have spoken to your kids about your time in hostel, and how some crazy things happened, things weren't working, you didn't get this, didn't get that. So we take care of a lot of those things, but that is so that you are able to then really capitalize on being here for 4 years and on using the space for 4 years, right? So yeah, so I'm going to stop over there. I'm not going to say too much more, but I will be around, so please come and ask me questions. I can give you details of how many people stay in a room and what's there at the residences and all of that, but that's an entire set of things in itself. So I'm going to stop here and leave it for questions. Maybe during questions I can come and answer some specific things.